Presenting the 2013 Toyota Tundra Senior 5. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are passenger airbag sensor, variable speed intermittent wipers, cruise control, heated mirrors, child safety locks, power mirror, power steering, engine immobilizer, and CD player. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.